From the sky, this masterpiece reveals itself, a mansion where glass meets the endless horizon. The entryway sets the tone, sleek, bold, and designed to impress. Inside, panoramic windows blur the line between home and a chef's dream kitchen where design meets function in absolute style. The master suite, a sanctuary of comfort with views that never end. Relaxation redefined, a spa-inspired retreat within your own home. Outside, the infinity pool becomes a stage for unforgettable evenings. This is more than architecture. It's a vision of tomorrow,